Hello and welcome to Internet Culture. This video covers material covered in Quiz 9 and chapters 5.1 and 5.2 in the book Internet. How do users, that is humans, in reality interact with digital technology and digital information? There's a couple videos, Notebook, and some videos about search engines that you should watch. How do advertisers use the web? There's a video to watch about pay-per-click. How does pay-per-click work? Who pays when you click? Where can you find pay-per-click ads? What are some of the best practices as a marketer if you're creating mailing lists? There's a few videos that I've included that discuss some of these best practices, including having an option for opting in or opting out, and really finding the people who want to receive this information and not just finding email messages from anywhere and spamming people. In chapter 5.1.2, the topic of analysis of usages is discussed. There's a video that briefly explains web analytics, but make sure you look in the book and know what all of these terms mean: users and sessions, fruition activities, time factors, space factors, referring resources, and other technical data. Watch the video about YouTube Insight. It explains how, if you have a YouTube account, you can track and understand who is watching your videos. And I've included a few screenshots in case you don't have a YouTube account to see what the inside of a YouTube Insight video looks like. What is usability? Jacob Nielsen came up with this idea that there is a set of best practices, and that is to help users navigate through a website without making mistakes. It's a simple and clear way to use the web, and he suggests that there ought to be standards. We all know that sometimes these websites fail us, and when that happens, we need humans. We need tech support to help us. But I've included a link to Computer Stupidities, which is funny. And in Internet 5.2, pay attention to these three key ideas of proximity, history, and authority, right? There's something in particular that has to do with history that I want you to pay attention to, called the Wayback Machine from archive.org. Because we are always losing old information on websites, archive.org is a site that helps to remedy this problem, where if you wanted to look at a website that was up last week and they've already updated it, that information is lost or gone usually. Archive.org works to preserve that information. So try using the Wayback Machine to see some older versions of some of your favorite websites. So pay attention to the deadline for an upcoming Internet Discovery post and the deadline for Quiz 9, and I will see you next time on the Internet.